Our daughter was about 2 or 3 years old when we started noticing she'd have a lot of stomach pain and other GI issues. And she would complain frequently about like pain in her stomach. We tried going to the GI doctor in Wausau, and then we also ended up at a GI doctor in Madison, and they just couldn't seem to pinpoint what was happening. It evolved into being like more sick, like laying down on the couch, tired, not being able to play, a lot of nausea. We didn't really realize what was going on until she got a little bit older and she could verbalize and tell us how she felt. And at that time, we started with her primary care doctor, and we started her with like things to help with the GI issues that were over-the-counter meds. And it would help temporarily, but then it would just come back, and we just couldn't figure out why it was happening. We could get it to go away, but we couldn't prevent it from happening. They could treat the symptoms, but really could never get to the root cause of what was happening. Even through extensive GI testing, she was scoped, she had colonoscopy, she had a lot of tests done that just didn't really show anything other than there was inflammation, but nobody knew why. It was frustrating because you look at your child and you're the one that's supposed to be able to help them and get them through rough times, and there was just nothing we could do year after year after year, and it just kept getting worse. And then that's when we decided that we would call Dr. Kevin and see if he could help us. Through the process, I learned how many parts of your body are related to your GI tract and your gut health. When she had GI issues, she gets sick with other things like head colds or stomach flu or strep throat. Other symptoms like chronic headaches, migraines that we ended up in the ER for numerous times to get IVs. It's so many other parts of your body that just do not function correctly if your gut is not functioning correctly. Since going through the program, our daughter is a completely new person. She is able to enjoy everyday activities without having GI issues, without stomach pain. She doesn't have migraines anymore. Just so many other health issues that are just gone. She just feels like a normal kid. I would highly recommend anyone who is having any kind of GI issues to come into Dr. Kevin and get tested, because it is life-changing and you'll know exactly what to do. It's a completely organized program. You're not alone doing it. He's very good at checking in, having consultations during the program. It's easy to do when you come in and find out exactly what you need to do, but the trick is to get scheduled and to come in and actually do it.